In this video, we will see how to install Server Core Edition for Windows Server 2022. So I'm going to install Server Core Edition on a virtual machine. I have already attached ISO file for Windows Server 2022 and I've started the VM. The first screen that you will get is to set the language, time and keyboard settings. So I'm going to keep the default settings and then click Next. Then click on the Install Now option. So as you could see, we have two options for desktop experience. So desktop experience will give you the graphical environment, whereas the option without desktop experience will give you the server core edition. So for this demo video, I'll select Windows Server 2022 data center evaluation without desktop experience and then click next. Then accept the software license terms and click next. We are not upgrading the existing operating system. So select the option custom install Microsoft Server operating system. Then we have an existing 50 GB hard disk drive attached to this VM. So we will be installing operating system on this drive. So click next and then it will start the installation process. Now wait for a few minutes till this process is completed. So installation process has completed and VM also automatically restarted. Now it's asking us to set the password for local administrator account. So it says user's password must be changed before signing in. So press enter and then we'll have to type the new password for local administrator account. Click enter after typing the password. And now it says your password has been changed. Again, click enter. So now we set the password for local admin account and we have logged on to the server. We do not have any graphical tool here available. We just have the command prompt and we have a lot of options displayed here. So whatever changes we have to do it from the command prompt itself. So we'll do some basic configuration tasks. So let us first change the computer name for this server because the current name is a system generated name. So let me change that. So it's asking us to enter the number to select an option. So the option for computer name is 2. So let me type 2 and then click enter. And now it's asking us to enter a new computer name. So I'll just say server hyphen core and then click enter. So it says changes will take effect after you restart the computer. So I'll just say no at the moment because I have to do few more configurations. Now you can go to the network settings, which is option 8 and then set the correct IP address. So let me select 8 and it's asking us for the network adapter index. So it has already displayed available network adapters. The index for the adapter is 1. So let me type 1 and click enter. Now let me select the option 1 to set the network adapter address. Now it's asking us whether the IP address would be static or whether it would be from DHCP. So I'm going to set a static IP address. So if you could see for DHCP, it's asking us to type uppercase D and then for static, it's uppercase S. So I'll type S and then click enter. Then it's asking to enter static IP address and then click enter. Then the subnet mask, then the default gateway address. Now let me go back to the network settings. So under IP address, it's showing me the IP address that I just now set. DHCP enabled option is now false because there is a static IP address. And now let me restart this VM. So the restart option is number 13. And now the server has restarted. Now it's asking us to press Ctrl Alt Delete so that we can type the local administrator password. And now after pressing Ctrl Alt Delete, it's asking us to type the password. And then again, we got the same screen with the basic options. So each time when you will log into the server, you will get these set of basic options. So this way you can install Server Core Edition for Windows Server 2022. If you want to learn more about Windows Server, then watch the playlist on the channel and you can try installing Server Core Edition and then let me know how it goes for you in the comment section. Thank you for watching.